Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can buy Nintendo Switch for free on Temu. Now, as you know, back then Temu used to have this promo, a $7 Nintendo Switch, 10 devices, and it's a first come, first serve. Now, as of now, Nintendo Switch 2 hasn't been released yet. It was just announced a couple of hours ago. And of course, it's not available yet. It's going to be available in 2025 though, so this year. Now, once it's released, you can just search for Nintendo Switch 2 here on the search bar. And then, of course, you can buy it from the results here. You just, for example, let's pretend this is the Nintendo Switch 2. This is not, it is just a protective case. You just have to click on it, complete a verification like this, and then click add to cart, pay for shipping, enter in your credit card detail, enter in your address, just like Amazon, and then you can buy a Nintendo Switch 2 when it is released. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.